We made it. We're just waiting for our cab who's gonna come pick us up. We got all of our bags all ready. We got an entire bus to ourselves. Just going to our hotel. So we're just discovering the area nearby our hotel. We are yet to check in because we had a very early flight, and check-in only begins at like 3 in the afternoon, and we're like really hungry, so we need to find like a good place to eat nearby, and there's a place right around the corner. So we are walking down there, and it's scorching hot at the moment. I really wanted to go change into like shorts or something, but it's fine, we'll do that once we get our room. And so far it looks really pretty. I am loving these buildings. Look at that one. How are you liking it, Ma, so far?
I like very much in Dubai.
You're enjoying it?
Yes.
I can come here and do yoga in the morning if my phone allows some network.
Lovely place.
Yeah.
Very nice.
We're done eating. Now we're just waiting in the lobby to be checked in. Mama, how was the food?
Lovely.
Very nice, no? Yeah, I love the oranges. Now that flower arrangement is so nice, na? Huh? Very pretty. I love the roses. We finally got our room, Mama. Are you excited to see? The lobby is so pretty. This is the room. We've got the bathroom over here. Really nice. We've got a nice city view. Burj Khalifa is on our left, right there. It's gonna be very pretty in the night. Got a beautiful mosque down there as well. And you can see the creek. We actually missed, we were supposed to take a shuttle bus, but we missed it. So we're in the cab now, going to Dubai Mall, and we also have tickets for Burj Khalifa at 3, so we'll do that after the mall. It's already 2:20 now. So there's no time to eat before we go to Burj Khalifa. Do you want to do that and then eat?
I hope so.
Or do you want to eat first?
I can't say anything.
Oh, by the way, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. Look how cute this t-shirt is. I bought it from Shop Loon right before we were leaving, and I was so happy that it got delivered because I really wanted to wear this. It's so cute. Just got the tickets to go to Burj Khalifa, which to go on top. Are you excited? I don't think you're realizing how high and tall this building is. I have this fear of height. I'm not very excited, to be honest. I'm very scared of heights. My mom isn't, I think. No? Are you scared of heights?
No, not so much.
Not so much. So just a little bit. I'm nervous, honestly. Made it to the top. It wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. It was actually really fascinating, but it is really, really crowded. Yeah, we also have like these photo ops and stuff, but there's a like long queue for it. The view is quite nice. We just got done. Now I think it's time to go eat something. We want to go to the Time Out market. That looks really nice. We want to go see the Dubai fountain as well, but we're also very hungry and tired. Oh my god, the light just changed. Yeah, but we're also really hungry and tired. So we'll see we can do this some other day as well, but we'll see. I have missed this Wagamama ramen so much. Our food is here. So we came to the promenade and look at this crowd. It is packed. Literally packed. Look at that crowd. Just a regular storefront in Dubai. How cool is this? I met my old friend from Crowdfire and he's taking us for a ride. And look at his car. It's a holographic Tesla, which is not focusing. There we are. This is so cool.
Really?
I love it. This is one of the coolest cars I've seen.
वो भी तुम्हारा ड्रीम कार.
Ma, enjoying the beach?
Yes.
It's cold. We're like shivering. But it's very, very pretty.
Really.
Oh my god, what is this view? Came to this place for dinner. We were over there and then we walked all the way across. And now we're here. Baba Ganoush, got some hummus. I love Baba Ganoush. Oh my god, look at that flatbread. Bigger than me. We got some kunafa for dessert. Mama, try it.
चलो सब एक साथ.
आप ट्राई कीजिए पहले. Have it and just.
Salman is really recommend this. Let's see what Mama thinks.
Yeah, let's see her expressions.
So good. Nice. So Salman is showing off how self-driving.
सलमान का जादू है.
Man, I love a Tesla. This is the coolest shit ever. So basically we couldn't open the doors. Yeah, we needed to do that. Ma, how cool is that? Today we're on our way to the gold souk. My mom is on a mission to go to gold souk. This is the main reason she's come to Dubai and she's wanted to come. She's always been like, she's heard stories from her friends about the gold souk. So let's go see. We just found some parking. Salman and his ride. Salman is our guide today. He's gonna help us buy all the gold.
All the gold.
Look at that. Such opulence. Opulence. Mom is fascinated, huh? So excited seeing so much gold. Ma, what are you buying? We'll buy you that gold t-shirt.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
Wear sunglasses. The gold.
Oh my my god, they have gold masks, gold sunglasses. I love that. Ma will get you one of these dresses, gold dresses. I love that. So we just got done seeing all. Hi. So we just got done seeing the gold market. Mom was like mesmerized. Abhi Salman is taking us to an old Arabic, I think one of like the oldest Arabic restaurant, Arabian Tea House. I'm really excited to see that. Let's go. That gold made us really hungry. All of those gold, you know. Salman was like, you should get a gold mask, and then if customs stop you, you can say, you know, mask is mandatory, so you can just wear it and walk in. Oh gosh. We're at Arabian Tea House.
Hi. Oh, mom saying hi.
My vlog. Hi, Mama.
Water mug.
Look at the water mug. It's so pretty. And I love that they've given the ice in a bowl too. So cute. I love it. We got some dates and tahini. That's a veg falafel.
Is steak.
So we ordered some rice, some chicken, some falafel, hummus, halloumi cheese salad, fresh orange juice, some lime and mint. So good. The food here is amazing. So Mom and I, we got into a taxi because the mall is too big for us to walk, and we were like, cannot do this anymore.